I did the 10 seconds, but ooh, oh, and let us do the nose. Hello, sanibonani, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe, and thank you so much for watching this video. And in this video, I am going to be sharing with you my experience of doing my own COVID-19 at home for the first time. I am a South African living in England, and we are so lucky here because we have this test that you can order and you can test yourself at home. So this is mine, and I'm just opening it in front of you now. I've never done this before, so we will be learning together. We will be doing it together. Let us see in the box. These are the things you get. It's the box with the address. It's the swab. It's the NHS letter, well, booklet. It's a booklet from the NHS that explains what needs to be done. And then you get this thing where you put your thing. And then this, I don't know what it's for. I guess it's to protect this when you are done. The sealer for your box. And these 2 plastic bags. Plus your, and then let us see what we need to do. It says here how to test coronavirus at home. Before you test, check your collection times from the Royal Mail post box nearest to you. Let us check. I just have to scan this, and then it will tell me the nearest post box that is nearest to me. Show me nearest priority. Yes, I'm using my location, so let's see which one is closer. I am so fortunate. I have a lot of them that are closer to me. Okay, it's showing me show list of. Okay, I've got one that is like literally 3 yards away from me. So that's good. Let's see what time they close. The last collection is at 11:15. It is now 10:15 in the morning. So I've got an hour before the last collection. And I did read in the instructions, it said you must put it in the post box within an hour of being collected. It must be collected within an hour. So I'm within time. I'm happy. Post the completed kits no later than 1 hour before the last collection time. Do not go to the post office to send your test kits. So do not go inside the post office to send your test kits. There are no collections on Sundays or bank holidays. This is Saturday, so I'm within time. I can do mine today. And then details of the person being tested. Testing at home, register each. So now I have to scan again to register my kit. Accept all cookies, I guess I have to. Register, it says start now. And test kit barcode. So I have to scan my barcode. Scan. It's so good that you don't have to type in a lot of things. A lot of it is just scan, scan, scan. Thank God for technology. Where are you taking your test? At the test site or at home? I'm taking it at home. Enter the Royal Mail barcode. Where is my Royal Mail barcode? Use your phone or computer's camera to scan the unique Royal Mail barcode in the home test kit. Oh, there it is. Scan the barcode. So now I have to scan this barcode that's on the box. Scan it. Oh, this one is giving me a bit of wahala. Oh my god, everything else has been so good. Oh, it scanned. It was too quick. I didn't think it had scanned. It was just too quick. If you are returning it by courier, take test at least 1 hour before 8 a.m. on the morning of your collection. Select a date. Today, I'm doing it today. And enter a time. For example, enter 9. Then select AM or PM. Okay, I've entered my time. What's your first name? I've put my first name, Thenjiwe Mosley. And what's your date of birth? 29/09/19 Futsek. What's your gender? Female. What is your ethnic group? Now, this is what I don't like when they start asking us about ethnic groups. What does it have to do with anything? I guess they use it for data, but now I'm scared it might just come back positive just because of my ethnicity. Oh well. But there is an option to prefer not to say, but obviously if you prefer not to say, you are minority. Which one the best describes your Black, African, British? I'm African. Continue. Do you travel to nursery, workplace or place of education? Nah, not applicable. What is your occupation? Do they have options for YouTubers? I am a YouTuber. Continue. Continue. Do you currently have coronavirus symptoms? No, I do not have any symptoms. What country do you live in? England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, or Wales? I'm in England. What is the first line of your address and home postcode? My address is the one I'm typing in now. And the postcode is what I am typing in now. Why is it saying I must enter a correct postcode when I did? Do you have an email address? Yes, I have an email address. What's my email address? Which one must I put? Confirm email address. Re-enter matching email address. Okay, I entered the wrong email address. It's a .co.uk, but I entered .com. Well, text you the results on the number. What is my phone number? Now I have to look for my phone number. Am I the only person who doesn't know their phone numbers? Am I the only one who doesn't know their own phone number? Because I do not call myself. I do not see the need to know my own phone number. Do share with me in the comment section if you know your own phone number, and because you don't call yourself. If you want to know my phone number, it starts with a 0 and ends with a 5. Okay. Do you have a landline? No, I do have a landline, but I hardly ever use it. Do you know your NHS number? No, I don't. I don't want to start looking for it. Have you had a coronavirus vaccine? No, I have not. Check your answers. I'm sure my answers are all correct. Security check. I am not a robot. Angilona is a robot. And do you guys know that I use Zulu on my phone? So even if someone here in England were to steal my phone, they would not even know what to do with it. Everything is written in Zulu. Although sometimes it confuses me. Maybe I should do a video showing you all the crazy things that are written here in Zulu. But for Those of you who do understand Zulu, just go and Google the word and then tell me if Google really understands our language. Khetha zonke izithombe ezinezithuthuthu of motorbikes. Where are you? Save and continue. Registration confirmed. Next steps, if you've registered Maple, if you're doing the swab test yourself, you can watch the instruction video. Okay, I don't think I need to watch the instruction video. Let me just look through the book, what I need to do next. Taking the swab. Open the package and carefully take out the swab. You'll use it for both the throat and the nose. Take the throat sample, holding the swab in your hand. Open your mouth wide and do it for 10 seconds. And then after that, take the nose with the same swab. And then put the swab into the plastic tube with the fabric tip facing down. Snap off the stick and throw away the unused end. The test swab should fit inside the closed bottle without bending. And then packaging the swab. Wash your hands thoroughly for 20 minutes and Okay, let us do the main thing, the main job, which is the swab. So this is it. I'm doing my own swab, so I don't need to be wearing gloves. So we start with the throat. I did the 10 seconds, but ooh. Oh. And let us do the nose. One 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1009, 1010. Oh, it's the most uncomfortable thing, and I think it came with some boogies. But I'm not going to remove them because I don't want to remove the evidence. And then we put it here, and then we snap. Yep. And then we close. Okay. And then now we package it. I've got this bag. We've got this. We've got this. There is another bag. So they say in the book, the most uncomfortable. You put this thing in here, and then you put this in here. And make sure there are no bubbles. You close, and then you put here. Yeah, my nose. The test is very, very uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable, but we gotta do what's got to be done. Yay. Yeah, it's done. It's done. It's done. Now I have to do the box. Shouldn't be too difficult to do this. Out of everything I've had to do, the box is the one that's going to take the most time. Why? And then it's here. Let's put it in here. Let me just check that these things are corresponding. Yes, they are. Just wanted to check. and seal the box. Seal the box. Seal it. Box is sealed. So I'm ready. That's it. Test is done. I'm now going to the post office to put it in the post box.
A few moments later.
As easy as ABC. Now that my test is done at home, I'm here at the post box just to put it in. Nothing paid, no money for postage, it's all prepaid. And all I have to do is wait. Just wait for the 2 days, 48 hours. So this is it. I am now putting it through. Let's just hope for the best. Let's just wait and see. I should get my result in about 2 days. So it's Saturday today. Let's hope by Tuesday I will have my results. It is freezing. It is cold out here. It is freezing, absolutely freezing. It is absolutely freezing, absolutely freezing. And to the mask police, please don't ask me why I'm not wearing a mask. It's in my bag. I will take it out if I go to a place where there are people indoors. But I'm walking and I just want to breathe in some fresh air. I just want to breathe some fresh air. I was just walking 3 minutes from my house. I've got my mask in my bag. 3 minutes just to put the test kit in the post box. I don't need to wear a mask when I'm walking on the street and there's no one on the street. If I had a need to go to a place with other people, I would put on a mask, but just walking down the street, I think I deserve some fresh air. We wear these masks too much. I am just tired. I can't wait for the new era of no mask wearing. Yeah, it is cold. That's how cold it is. It is not freezing, but it's cold. I think it's about -2. I think I'm gonna have to put on some braids because my short hair is deceiving me in this cold. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching the video, and let us just hope for the best result. At least I don't have any symptoms, but not having symptoms does not mean you cannot be positive with COVID-19. So I'll let you know when I get my results. It should come in 2 days. But because it's a Saturday, let us not count the Sunday. So let's say Tuesday, I should be able to have the results, which means you'll have the video about Wednesday. And I would like to encourage each and every one of you to please go and get your test done, especially if you have symptoms. Please do go and get your test done. It is very important to test and know your status. I have no symptoms, but I decided to test because it is the right thing to do. But I understand that in some countries it is ridiculously expensive to go and test, and also it is very inconvenient for those who already have symptoms to go into places where there's a lot of people and you have to take public transport. So I do hope that our governments, especially in Africa, will also, as we know they rule by copy and paste, can they also copy and paste the good things that are going to make things easier and more convenient for us as the people? Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I hope we see each other very soon. I can't wait to get back on stage and perform, but at the moment, let us just respect the restrictions in our respective countries. Let us be on lockdown until the gates and the borders are open for all of us to travel again and to meet each other and to visit our families. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Mahala.